Hi everyone, today I will be showing how to use the LibreOffice 7.2. I have downloaded the LibreOffice here. You will be able to see this icon. Just double click on this and you will be able to, once you double click, you will be able to see this page and you will be able to find write a document, calculation spreadsheet and imprint presentation. Write a document is similar to the Microsoft Word, calculation spreadsheet is similar to MS Excel and the imprint presentation is similar to the Microsoft Word, Microsoft PPT. Now, usually this LibreOffice is predominantly used with Ubuntu, as it is a free open source and it's freely available. So teacher can use it and they can get benefit of these things. Predominantly, like writer document is used for creating question papers, creating materials, study materials. You can use the writer document. Just double click on this here. See, if you it has opened. If you see this page, it is almost similar to the Microsoft Word. If teacher who are familiar with Microsoft Word, they find very handy, very easy using this write a document from LibreOffice. So you can create a question paper. So just show how it works. New public school text test 2 science. So here you can create a question paper. You can align this one, either you can keep it extreme left, or here is the you can make the alignment. See, alignment left, alignment center, alignment right. So you can keep it extreme right, or you can keep it extreme left, or you can make it a center. Usually teacher we will make it center. Now yeah, just make it center. Yeah, you can type the questions. What is velocity? Second, what is speed? You can type comfortably, you can type easily, you can type it here. What is speed? Teacher, if you observe few things here, you can use also, you can use, I will show how to use subscript and superscript. Like sometimes it is required when you want to type equations, like subscript or superscript required. If I want to type x square, see, you can type x and here it is there. You can use this one. Similar as in Microsoft Word, you can use this one, superscript. You can type like this. Click on, again you will come to normal script. Again y. For a subscript, you can use this one and click on 2. Yeah, like this. So this is the one you can use. Like when you're typing, sometimes you may type wrongly. Like for what I will type WHT. Now you want to correct it. See, it is showing a red color. It is because I already created a auto spell check. So here it is there in tools, at the top in tools there is auto spell check. Just if type shift F7, you will be able to find. So I have enabled this one. You can disable or you can enable. Right now I will enable. So once you enable, if you that red line will be showing, just right click, you can correct it. Where is what? Yeah, you can correct like this. This is the one. Sometimes when you're creating a question paper, you find very necessary to add a tables. How to insert a tables? Here there is the option to insert a table. Here it is there, and it is very handy, teachers. You can select this table. You can select n number of columns and n number of rows according to your requirement. I'll select like this, and you can type like x, y. You can type here. You can type capital, and you can place it center also. Select the cells, and you can place it center. Select the cells. Here again you can use this alignment. Now there is a like there may be chance you may require to add a row or add a column. So here all tools are available here. Teachers are able to see all tools are available. You can use this one, like I can add a row above, I can add a row below, I can add a column other side, I can add a column. So you can add a row, you can delete a row, you can delete also. Here you can delete, see, click like if you want to delete this row, you can click on this one and you can delete it like this. So this is one. And if you want to, like, there are chances you may require to add images also, like you can download image from Google and you can add. Here it is there, how to insert image, here it is there. You can select this icon, insert image, select the icon like this, select the image, here it is there. So you can insert the image, you can place, you can hold, and you can place like this. So this is a one, you can do that like this. Along with that, if you want to add these things, add animations here, you can also use this part. Gallery is there. So like if you want to add arrows, those things you can add here. You can just click on this, or you can hold and you can drop it here like this. So these things you can do. See, I can modify. So this all things you can do here. So this is the way you can use this Libra Writer, and you can save. Best part is you can save in MS Word also, in a MS Word format also. You can use doc files also, you can save it. See, save option is there, save as is there, and you can copy and place it here. That's the one. Similarly, all the tools which are available here, you can use this one. Once you're done with your question paper, you can cross check completely. You can align, like sometimes I want to give spacing, line spacings here. You can select this one. There is option called set line spacing. No, you can select this one. You can give a spacing. So those things can be done, and it is the indent part. If you want to move either side, you can move like selectively. You can move like this. You can move like this. So this can be done. So it is quite comfortable for teachers to draft the question paper using this Libra Writer, and you can save it. Lot of things are available. Once you start using it, you'll come to know this thing. And when you want, like when you was, what if you would have mistakenly typed something, you would have like I want to replace from what to y, like define, like I want to completely convert to define. Then you can use find and replace, find, those things you can do. Like if you type Control H, here it is that you can find any word, and if you want you can replace, like define, you can replace, you can define, you can replace, like define speed, you can replace like this. Now if you want to find any word also, just type Control F, you will be able to find here. A search bar will be available here. You can type that particular word, like speed. I want to search this one. See, it will show, it will be highlighted here. Any word it will show, it will be highlighted here. And once you're done, you can save the file. I can just give save. You can type it. You can give a title like a question paper like that, and you can share in desktop or any drive. You can save it. Right now, I'll do it. You can do this one.